Hi, Alethea here. This is a new look. I'm sorry, this is McCall's 8447. Right now I'm working on the top. Plans are to do both top and pants. Let me tell you what happened or what I ran into with this. I chose my layout, my size, according to the sizing chart on the envelope. Note that it is an oversized pattern. But look at all of the bunched up fabric right here. And then she has a pocketbook, a bag there, and the sleeve is pulled up a bit. And I found out why. It's a lot of extra fabric that bunches up right in this area here. So, to continue on with my story, I always trace from my original pattern so I can keep the original one intact and not destroy it. So I did that. Which sleeve would you choose? Let me know in the comment. Noting that this top calls for or is designed to be oversized. How much is oversized and how much is too large? And I chose my size by the size chart on the back of the envelope. I choose this arm. And let me show you what I did to come from this arm here to this size here. Let's go. Hey everyone, it's Alethea from Sail Along Sewing. Thank you for coming and joining me today. We're talking about McCall's 8447. So the sleeve pattern pieces, there are 3 parts to it. So I'm actually gonna have to take the sleeve apart from off the blouse, which I have it clipped together, and repin it to the original pattern. I'm taking the clips out. Undoing the basting threads. Matching it with the pattern piece. So I have laid each pattern piece on top of the fabric. Now I have to go in and actually pin the pieces, each piece back to the original pattern piece. So let's do that. And for the body of the sweatshirt, I'm going to show you each step that I've taken and what measurements and what alterations I made to adjust it for my body fit. So now I have placed all of my pattern pieces back together with the fabric to the large size, what I first cut out. I put all this, we're working with the sleeves, so I matched them back to the original pattern pieces, the size that I cut out. And then I'm going to take a piece of tracing paper and my artist pen, and I'm just going to trace the small size. So I'm going from a large to a small in the sleeves. And there are other sizes that's incorporated with this one particular top, and I'll show you and point it out to you as I go. So let's get to tracing. I'm going from a size large down to a medium in the sleeve armholes. So let's trace. From a large to a medium around the armholes. And then when I hit this corner where the small and the medium intersects, I use the small sizing. So this is the finished sleeve. I clipped them together with the pins. And I also decreased my sleeve length by 1.25 inches. So this is how the new sleeve is looking. It's smaller and it's shorter. It's just pinned together with the clips. So let's move on to the front and back. So here are the sleeves and the cuffs with the reduced size and the arm adjustment. The reduced size is from large to medium, and the arm adjustment for the length is 1.25 inch. Now we moving on to the front and back. So here is my pattern piece. This is the front, and I'm gonna repin them to the fabric to the pattern piece and reduce that from the shoulders. It's gonna be a medium. Armholes will be a medium. And the bodice or sides will be a large.